how I think the riff is being played one way. It's being played on the recording with octaves. This is F sharp. I'm playing it on the A string, and then I also play it on the G string, 2 frets above. So 9 on the A, 11 on the G. And what we're doing though is we're muting the E, or you can also just try and to start, you're picking at the A. Then you don't have to mute the E. Muting the D with this finger. This finger is playing the G and also muting the B. And again, the high E, we just don't strum it. Then we go 7, 2, 7, 6, 4, 2. But I did that when I was at 2. I hit this G sharp note at 4. And then I slid into octave at 4. That's how I think that riff is being played. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye-bye.